Hello, once again, this is Bright. In this course, we are learning CorelDraw full course, okay? And in this course, we have gone through file, and then we've gone through edit. In edit, we got part 1 and 2, so you can watch if you have not seen it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to see the next video, because this video we are moving from edit to view, okay? In this view now, we are going to explain the commands here, not all, but the most important ones that you will need when you are designing is the one that I'm going through it, okay? So we are going through all of the menu here, okay? And after that we will come to the tools here, and we will explain everything with behind everything that is maybe hiding. Maybe there's a command or something that you need to see or know, but it's hidden. I'm going to decode them and bring them out so that you know how to use them and use to create your crazy designs, superior design. So subscribe, it's free, and then watch it, okay? Let's go. So we come to this, and then which is the view. So we start from wireframe, okay? When we say simple wireframe, it's very simple. They mostly work the same, okay? They are all the same, and that is the most important part in the view side. The draft and then normal is like when you check this place and it's like you finish and then you put it on normal side, okay? So what is here, when you have a work on the drawing page and you've drawn something and you want to see how it goes by the frame, then you use this command. So wireframe is just to display an outline of the drawing, okay? Let me show you some examples, okay? It's very simple to do, okay? So let's see some. Come here, press and hold the left mouse button on the small arrow here, and then you pick this complex star. We come here, okay? Just draw something like this, okay? Now we draw this and then come and pick this, pick two. Okay, now when we pick the pick two, what I want to do right now is that I want to convert, okay? Convert this one. Just right click, okay? And then convert to curves, okay? Or you can use here or this place, okay? Or on the keyboard, okay? Control plus Q. So you click and then you convert it. You've converted. Now you can break it here. This is break, okay? Break it here, and then now after you break, you can just take it one by one, because now you break everything. Okay, let's go back. You can color this one. Let's say I've colored here, and then I'll give this one color too, and then the last one maybe orange, okay? So those are the colors. Maybe I've let's assume I have draw this one, okay? So now I group it again. Now when you group the whole thing, and then you want to see how the work has become in frames, that is the wireframe. So then you come to view, and then you click wireframe. Then this is it's just for you to see how the line is working. Everything is okay. If you see that it is okay and you like it, maybe you draw something more than this one and you've seen that everything is okay, then you watch it and see how everything has been made. So if you like it, and then you go to the same place again and you come to normal, then everything become okay. And then again with the same place, you come again, view, wireframe. Here is the same thing, okay? There's a little slight difference, but not too much. I just see it as the same, because when I'm drawing something or all this thing, I don't normally think about it, but it's just that I know it and I want you to know, so that you just know, okay, I finished drawing, you draw everything and you want to see this thing. It's very important to know, okay? And so that is the use of the view there, okay? So draft 2 is the same. It's just that they reduce the resolution for you to see, but when you put it there, you can see that it doesn't change anything too much. It depends. It doesn't change anything too much, okay? So as you click them, you can see nothing changed too much. It's just that when you study it very carefully, you can see that it's reduced the quality from the original color, and then the pixels or the draft that you put it. It's just that it reduced the resolution for you to see what is happening. After that, you put everything normal, okay? It means that you check everything. You see, you can see that there's a change. So that is the purpose of this one here, okay? Now this place, I don't see them much. It's necessary too much, okay? So this simple wireframe and wireframe, that is the main thing I see here. Let's come to full screen view. That is F9. It's just that when you click that place, okay, you see the main work, how the whole work goes, okay? You see everything. Then you click again, then you go back. So we come here again. If you don't want to use the view side, you can press on your F9 on the keyboard, okay, and see it like that, okay. And then preview, select only. Now if you say preview select only, means that okay, now let's break this one, okay, and group this, okay. So let's say I have this one, let me say I've separated them, okay. So now let's say I've selected only this one and I want to see only this part the way it is on the board. Is it okay? Okay, then I just come to view and then I come to preview, select only, the one that I pick only, okay. That is all. Again, page sort view, okay. Now when we say that place doesn't do anything, okay, it's just that when you have page 1, page 2, page 3, that place is only used for example, come here, I taught this one on the previous video. You click here, you get page 2, you click again page 3 when you are creating book pages, and then the pages are there like that for you to see the book, the content that you put there. You see the arrangements, everything. That's the main source of it. When you finish, you just come here and then you click this place off and then you get it back, okay. So that is the view side, and then after that you come to view manager. View manager is the same as they say, give you the view things that you'll be doing. That is manager. You understand manager, okay. New students who are here, please, you learn this thing and it's very good, okay. You become a graphic designer. You can use to design things, you can use to design logos, posters, a lot, okay. So keep watching my videos, and then I have more to bring. This time what I'm doing here is that I just want you to understand everything that is in CorelDraw, every tool, everything, anything in the CorelDraw. I want you to know, so that when you are designing, you know what you're doing, okay. And then you use to do your business. After that, you will create more things, okay, and you will see how the whole thing goes, okay. After that, then you go back to view again, and then you just click that place and it's gone, and then you come again, view, okay. We are going step by step here, okay. If there's anything that's bothering you or something that maybe you watch the video and you don't get it, give me a comment, tell me. Even I will leave my WhatsApp number on it. If you want to give me maybe a private something note or some kind of or anything, you can tell me, please. I love you all. In my heart, I want to help you who want to design. Subscribe it, tell more people about it, that there's free course that is going on here, okay. So page, okay, when we come to page, and then before we come to this page, let me arrange this in place, okay. So let's pick this zoom and then zoom this page to come forward a little bit, okay. If you come to this drawing page, you can see that there's a line here, okay. This kind of line that we call it border line, okay, that give us a page for you to see in this place. When you come to view, okay, and you come to page, so okay, page border, the moment you click, you can see anything again, okay. So in case you don't know and something happened like that and you were like, oh, where is the page, oh, what should I do, oh, what should I do, I'm going to go to check it and still, no, don't go to Google, subscribe to my channel and then you will see. It's very simple. Go to view and then you go to pages and then you get to page border and you click it, then it comes, okay. So it's very funny, but I'm trying to explain the important commands here, the most important ones, okay. Those are the, maybe something can happen and maybe you are doing something and mistakenly something can happen and maybe you click here and you don't know what to do. What should I do? That's the reason why I'm just taking my time to explain those things, because it happened to me and I study everything, okay. So it's good to do, it's good, okay. So let's click this thing off and I come to grade, okay. Now grade is like document grade. You click and it's like that, okay. Now actually when you get this line, it gives you much guidelines. For example, let's see, I put this line here, okay. I have this line, it will give me a set measure, okay, like those tailors board, okay. So it give you exact lines, and then you when you curve, you create curves and you are doing, maybe you are creating curves and stuff, it gives you a guideline, okay. You know that I'm bringing from here, I'm coming to point it here, then you stop, okay. So it's nice, but normally people don't use it because we are used to the whiteboard, okay? And so but if you are interested, you can do it, okay? So we take it off, and that is, yes. Then this almost all, they are all the same, okay? So then we come to a ruler, okay? When you take the rule from there, you can see that it's gone. There's a ruler here, okay? So in case when maybe one day you lost it and you don't know, you come to view and then you pick it there, you can see it come back. So ruler, that is ruler. You drag, you hold it and drag, okay? It gives you guidelines, okay? It gives you guidelines. So that is it, okay? So if you want to select, or remember, I've taught this one in the video, okay? That's when you go to edit and then you come to select all and select grade, and then you delete, okay? I've taught this one in the previous video, so you can watch it, okay? So there you go to view again. What is the alignment guidelines? The same thing, almost everything here, they do the same job, okay? They are only slight difference, okay? So that is the main important thing for us to study in this view, okay? I love you all. Please, thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, please subscribe and give me a comment on it. If there's a mistake somewhere you don't understand, or there's something that you want, please tell me and I'll reply you, okay? I love you all. Thank you. Bye bye.